वेलकम टू स्टॉक्स फॉर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम 9 नवंबर कल के लिए स्टॉक्स एनालिसिस और लेवल्स देखेंगे। विल चेक स्टॉक एनालिसिस एंड लेवल्स फॉर टुमारो 9 नवंबर 2020। इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल and press bell icon to get notification of new video that I will upload. So I will be not responsible for the trades taken by you. So try to take trade on your own or take advice from your advisor then take trades. We'll check the stock analysis and levels for tomorrow. Be in video. First stock is Adani Port. If open about 380, buy with stop loss of 375. अदानी फोर्ट जब 380 के ऊपर ओपन होता है तो आप लोग 375 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के बाई कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ पे वो अदानी फोर्ट को अच्छा सा सपोर्ट है। इफ ओपन्स बिलो 370, सेल विद स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 376। 370 के नीचे ओपन होता है तो 376 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के आप लोग सेल कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस और सपोर्ट, बाइंग के लिए सपोर्ट और सेलिंग के लिए रेजिस्टेंस लगा है। यू कैन चेक द लेवल्स ऑन चार्ट एंड कीप दिस इन योर radar this stock. We'll check on chart also the levels of the stock, so stay in video. Adani Port, we'll check on charts Adani Port how the support and resistance is there for Adani Port. Check here, it's the second time resistance one. Adani Port has taken second time support resistance at resistance one. If it will open above this resistance, it can go upstage with this stop loss. Okay, if opens below this resistance one, it can come down. We will keep this resistance as crucial level, support and resistance. While buying and selling, we will keep their stop loss for Adani Port, because Adani Port has taken support as these levels. Check here, 2 days continuously, 2 days Adani Port has taken support here. Check this. Okay, resistance 1, at resistance 1 Adani Port is taking support. If it will open above this resistance, it can go upstage. If it is not opening, keep here stop loss and sell below resistance. We'll check next stock, BPCL. Second stock is BPCL. Okay, Bharat Petroleum. It opens above 372, buy with stop loss of 368. Okay, 372 के ऊपर ओपन होता है तो आप लोग 368 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के बाई कर सकते हैं BPCL को। हम लोग चार्ट पे भी देखेंगे, एनालिसिस करेंगे कहाँ पे उसको सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस है BPCL को। आप लोग टारगेट्स किस हिसाब से आप लोग रखोगे? कीप टारगेट्स विद support and resistance when for daily basis. Okay, on daily basis where is pivot points, support and resistance, keep targets with that levels. So BPCL, if opens about 372, buy with stop loss of 368. If opens below 370, sell with stop loss of 371. 370 के नीचे ओपन होता है तो 371 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के आप लोग सेल कर सकते हैं। ओके, analysis, chart analysis for BPCL will check. BPCL is looking weak, it is below resistance 1 and below 200 EMA also. Check, this is 200 EMA, it is below 200 EMA. Resistance 1 is acting as support for resistance, is acting as resistance for BPCL. See, continuously 2 days this stock has taken support here. We'll check, zoom it and check. See, continuously 2 days this stock has taken support as resistance 1. If it opens above this, it can go upstairs with this stop loss, resistance 1 stop loss. We'll keep stop loss at resistance 1. If it opens below this, it can go down. 3 days continuously it took support here and it went upstairs. Okay, now it will take support here, and if it open above this resistance 1, it can go upstairs. If it does not open above this resistance, it can come down. Okay, keep stop loss in every trade you trade, because stop loss is most important part in intraday trading. Next stock is Dabur. If opens above 635, buy with stop loss of 631. So 635 के ऊपर ओपन होता है तो आप लोग 631 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के बाई कर सकते हैं. If opens below 625, sell with stop loss of 631. तो 625 के नीचे ओपन होता है तो आप लोग 631 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के सेल कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि 631 का लेवल बहुत स्ट्रांग है, सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस. सो इट विल टेक सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस देयर. So we'll check Dabur levels. So Dabur has taken support at this resistance 1. So every all stocks are taking support resistance 1 or support 1, or it is pivot. So it is taking support there. Check here. Dabur had took support of pivot 1 for 2 days continuously. So it opened above this pivot. Check here, this candle. It opened above this pivot. So and it has settles above pivot. Okay. So if it opens above this resistance 1, it can go upstairs. So we have kept a stop loss as resistance 1. So if it open below this resistance 1, it can come down to pivot also. So keep stop loss at resistance 1. That level will be crucial, as this you have seen here how candle has opened above the pivot. So if it open above this pivot, you can go. So if it open above resistance 1, you can go upstairs, so you can keep on buying. If it does not open above resistance 1, so keep stop loss at resistance 1 and go for selling. So Marico is also FMCG stocks with Dabur is also FMCG stock. So if opens above 375, buy with stop loss of 372. मैरिको 375 के ऊपर ओपन होता है तो आप लोग 372 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के बाई कर सकते हैं. ओके. इफ ओपन्स बिलो 369, सेल विथ स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 375. 369 के नीचे ओपन होता है तो 375 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के आप लोग सेल कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि 370 to 372 level is crucial support for Marico. So it will work strong support. So we'll check in chart how does it work. Okay. So an analysis of Marico. So here is Marico will check channel stats analysis. So Marico was taking support at this level for many days. Check this, it was taking support here for many days. So now it has broke that support, so it will go for buying. Okay. So we have kept stop loss at low of this candle. Okay. So we have kept stop loss at low of this candle, you can check. So it can go for buying if it is if it will be if it opens below this resistance 1. So if it opens below this resistance 1, it can go down, but there are more chances to go upstairs because it has broke this support resistance, so it can go upwards. So if it opens above this resistance 1, it can go upstairs. So keep stop loss at low of this candle. Okay. So this candle is bullish, you can see it. So it is surely sign that Marico has broke this resistance above, it can go upstairs. So if it opens below resistance 1, it can go down. So sell with stop loss of resistance 1, and if it opens above this resistance 1, it can go upstairs. So keep stop loss at low of this candle. So we'll check next stock, and we'll check Bank Nifty and Nifty analysis also. Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. So we'll check Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. So Bank Nifty and Nifty levels, you should trade on daily basis pivot points, where resistance and support is there. So try to draw trend lines and trade with that trend lines. So we'll check on chart where the support and resistance is there for Bank Nifty and Nifty. We'll check Bank Nifty analysis here. You can check it clearly that Bank Nifty has broke the resistance upstairs. Okay. बैंक निफ्टी ने रेजिस्टेंस 2 जो है वो ब्रेक किया है, एंड लास्ट वीक इट हैज़ रैलीड गुड. ओके. इट हैज़ गिवन रैली बैंक निफ्टी. सो बैंक निफ्टी ने रेजिस्टेंस 2 ब्रेक किया है और ऊपर वो ऊपर सेटल्स होता है तो इट विल गो टिल रेजिस्टेंस 3. ओके, इट कैन ब्रेक 28,000 लेवल्स ऑल्सो सुन. सो रेजिस्टेंस 2 के नीचे जब ओपन होता है तो ये नीचे आ सकता है बैंक निफ्टी, क्योंकि निफ्टी को ऊपर सपोर्ट है, इसलिए इट कैन बी crucial level. This resistance level will be crucial for bank nifty. If it opens above, it can take support at this resistance, or if it opens below, it can take resistance at this R2. Okay, support at R2. So be active in market, trade with support and resistance on daily basis. Okay, on monthly support we can draw a line, horizontal line, and see that bank nifty is taking their support or not. Okay, so I will show drawing horizontal line how it took support over here at resistance 2 on daily chart. So 15-minute chart will check here how bank nifty took support. So check here, bank nifty broke this support with big candle. Okay, you can see here big candle, bullish candle. So it broke with bullish candle and it took support here and it went back upstairs. Okay, so if it open below this level, yellow line level, it can come down. Okay, it can come down. So while trading, you all trade with this support and resistance. Okay, see how these levels are crucial. They are taking support at this support and resistance. Check here also. So try to trade with that levels. So we'll check Nifty analysis further. So this is Nifty chart. So we'll check analysis on Nifty. So Nifty firstly broke the resistance 3. Okay, sorry, this is 15-minute chart. We'll check on daily chart first of all. So bank nifty has broke the resistance and nifty has resistance too long. Okay, निफ्टी के लिए रेजिस्टेंस बहुत दूर है, सो रेजिस्टेंस टू बहुत दूर है निफ्टी के लिए. सो इट इज़ ट्रेडिंग एट 12,263 एंड रेजिस्टेंस फॉर निफ्टी इज एट 12,349, मीन्स 100 पॉइंट्स आर देयर. सो निफ्टी कैन rally till that 12,350 and it may take support at this level resistance too. Okay, so if it so it will not open gap up so 100 points or 150 points, so it can take support here at resistance 2. So next day after on Tuesday it can, if it took support here, then on Tuesday it can open gap up. So keep this resistance is, so resistance 2 will work as crucial level there, to keep stop loss at that levels. Okay, so on sell on high. Okay, don't try to sell on these levels. If it takes support here, try to sell with stop loss above this resistance. Okay, so bank nifty is also having support at that level, so try to sell on high. Okay, so we'll check on daily basis how it took support and check here. Check this how nifty has took support at these levels. Okay, so these levels are crucial, so try to trade on resistance and support levels. So if it breaks this resistance and support on 15-minute, check here, this candle has broke the resistance too, so it went upstairs. Okay, so it did not break here any resistance, so here it broke resistance 3. So and also it took support there, so you can see. Okay, so if you like the video and levels of the stocks, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification of new videos. So thank you and best of luck for your trading sessions ahead.